Welcome to this new video in our training series. Today, we'll show you how to document a business process in HEFLO by adding textual descriptions. Follow along step by step to learn how to enrich your BPMN 2.0 diagrams and make them clearer and more collaborative. Let's start by documenting the overall process. Use the same process we modeled in the previous video. Make sure no element is selected, then open the Properties panel on the right. Click the pencil icon in the documentation section. You can now describe the purpose and scope of this process. After describing the overall process, it's just as important to capture details at the step level. Let's see how to do that now. You can also add documentation to any element of the process. Pools, swim lanes, events, tasks, gateways. Simply click the element, open the Properties panel on the right, and write your description in the Documentation field. Now that you know how to document process elements, let's walk through a specific example to see how this works in practice. Let's take the task, Submit Reimbursement Request, as an example. Click the task, open the Documentation section in the Properties panel, and describe what the requester must do, the required data, and the expected result. Beyond basic descriptions, you can make your documentation even more helpful by adding extra details and useful resources. You can format the text as needed, insert images, and even add links, such as instructional videos or files stored in your drive. To help you get started and maintain best practices, we provide sample processes you can refer to during your training. In this video, we show how to document a single task. However, as part of your training, it's important that you continue this documentation work. To save time, we can use the documentation for the example process, Reimbursement of Expenses, as a reference. Available in the bottom left menu under Example Processes. You can copy those elements and adapt them to your own process. Once your process is properly documented, you can take things even further. Thank you for watching this video, and see you soon in the next part of the HEFLO course.